Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, today I stand before you to address a thought-provoking quote by Bernard Shaw. Why should we take advice on sex from the Pope? If he knows anything about it, he shouldn't. This quote challenges us to reflect on the sources of advice and guidance we seek in our lives. It urges us to question conventional wisdom and encourages us to think for ourselves. While the quote specifically refers to the Pope and the topic of sex, its underlying message extends far beyond that. My friends, as I conclude this motivational and inspiring quote, I would like to urge you to listen until the end, as I want to assure you that by embracing the wisdom behind the quote, you will undoubtedly reap numerous benefits in your life. We live in a world inundated with information, where opinions and advice are readily available at the click of a button. From social media influencers to experts in various fields, we encounter a multitude of voices offering guidance on how to live our lives. However, it is essential to exercise discernment and critical thinking when considering the source of this advice. Bernard Shaw's quote reminds us that simply holding a position of authority or expertise in one area does not automatically qualify someone to provide guidance in all aspects of life. It urges us to evaluate the source's knowledge, experience, and understanding before accepting their advice as truth. Now, let's apply this concept beyond the specific context of the Pope and sex. We can expand it to any area of life where advice is sought: relationships, career choices, personal growth, and more. It prompts us to question whether the advice we receive comes from individuals who possess genuine expertise, empathy, and a comprehensive understanding of the subject matter. However, it is important to note that this quote should not be interpreted as an attack on any particular individual or institution. Rather, it encourages us to engage in critical thinking and to be proactive in seeking advice from diverse sources. So, how can we navigate this vast sea of information and seek advice wisely? Here are a few key principles to guide us. Firstly, embrace curiosity and a thirst for knowledge. Be open to learning from various sources, even those outside your comfort zone. Expand your horizons and seek perspectives that challenge your own. By doing so, you empower yourself to make informed decisions. Secondly, consider the source. Look for individuals who have proven expertise and a track record of success in the specific area you seek guidance in. Evaluate their credibility, reputation, and the results they have achieved. Remember, knowledge and wisdom can be found in unexpected places. Thirdly, trust your own intuition and personal experiences. While seeking advice is essential, ultimately, you are the expert of your own life. Trust your gut instincts and align the advice you receive with your values and aspirations. You have the power to discern what resonates with your unique journey. Lastly, remember that no single individual or source holds all the answers. Embrace the diversity of perspectives and opinions available to you. Engage in conversations, seek out mentors, and build a network of trusted advisors who can provide guidance from different angles. By doing so, you create a well-rounded approach to decision-making. In conclusion, Bernard Shaw's quote challenges us to question the sources of advice we rely on in our lives. It encourages us to think critically, seek diverse perspectives, and ultimately trust ourselves. As we navigate the vast sea of information, let us remember that true wisdom comes from a combination of knowledge, experience, empathy, and the ability to think for oneself. So, my friends, let us be discerning seekers of wisdom. Let us be open-minded, curious, and willing to question conventional wisdom. By doing so, we empower ourselves to make informed decisions and embark on a path that aligns with our true selves. Thank you for your attention, and may you find the wisdom and guidance you seek on your journey of self-discovery and growth.